Hello, this is Mr. Tyler at Glenwood High School. I teach Excel PowerPoint, and for those of you that are in my Excel PowerPoint class, this is going to be kind of a tutorial for projects 3 and 4. So make sure you click on project 3. If you have to, you're going to open it with Google Sheets only because we're in Google, we're virtual right now. So you're going to read the instructions. The instructions says you are to open a blank Google Sheet and type all this, and please turn this into rtyler at bcst5.org. Now there's some other instructions here, so type in B13 equals sum B4 to B12 and then hit enter. That's to get the totals, okay? And then right here you're going to enter in C13. You're going to type in equals sum because you're starting off a command to do the function for C4 to C3. That's this through this, and then that will give you the total of that. So please type your name and student name. And then one of the things you can do is you can make a new copy. There's a shortcut where you can hit Control N and it will give you a shortcut, or you can go to File and you can open a new. Now if you make a copy, here's the deal. I'm really wanting you to type all this up because you're just getting used to the Excel PowerPoint. Now, how in the world did I get that to merge and center? So that's a good question. So if I was to highlight that stuff, okay, I highlight that stuff, and then I have to come up here and I have to go, maybe we'll just think about it. Would I go to insert? Okay, now think about it. Would I go to insert or any of these? Now here's the function key, which is going to be, I'll talk about that more next chapter, but does any of that merge and center? Well, no, but format may. Look, I hit format and then I come down here, I'm a merge cells. Now, if I merge horizontally, is which I want, I'd go like this, and then see how that did that? Combining those together. That's how I got that, okay? And then I just type in there. So I'll just show you, type in January 2018. That's what it did. And then if you're wanting to know where the keys are for alignment, here we just center that. Look what it did. Just centered it for you, okay? So that's just kind of a quick tutorial on how to get that. Now if I wanted to, did not tell you to do this, but since I'm in here, what if I want to shade this, okay? Let's shade it a different color. You see this little, I call it a dump bucket or a color bucket. This is called shading. If I want to do this, look what it does. Isn't that really nice? It shades the background, okay? Now, I'm going to click off of that because I really don't need that anymore. And I'm going to click off of that. I'm going to click off of that. Come back here. Here is one that I basically what I did is I have it so that you can copy off of this. So you'll have to open up a Google Sheets and you're going to type all this. So if you can't see it, you can zoom in really good. Now, for those of you that are kind of freaking out a little bit, I actually did create one, but the fact of the matter is you do have to, let me go Google Sheet here, read it. Please type this up in a Google Sheet, so a blank Google Sheet. And then you're not making a copy of this, you're actually typing all this up. It will take you a while, and then there's some colors that got to be changed in order for me to know that you did it right. Then you're going to type your first and last name here, and please don't forget to share it with me at rtyler at bcst5.org. Thank you.